Check this out. Most cats don't like water. They like to just stay away from it. So this is my cat Smokey trying to get ice. Check it out.
Push the button again. Push the button again.
Now just to set the trigger off.
Do it again. Oh.
What's he see? What is it? He wants the ice. Oh, distracted by it. Oh, ice on the ground. See it?